In this video, we'll see how hackers really crack passwords.
Passwords are not saved as plain text. Any website on the internet uses a hashing algorithm to store in passwords. There are many hashing algorithms to encrypt the passwords like SHA-1 MD5 etc. As an example, take Facebook. The first time you create an Facebook account you need to fill in form which contains name, mail ID, password and date of birth. Once you click on sign up, then this data sent to the Facebook backend database. Consider this as Facebook database then. Your name, gender, age, mail ID, is found as it is. Then what about password? As I told you, password will never saved as plain text in any database. So this plain text password is given as input to the hashing algorithm and the output given by the hashing algorithm gives us an encrypted form, which appeared to be random but not. This encrypted form password is saved in Facebook database, which means the password which you enter will never be saved on Facebook database as a plain text. Instead, only encrypted or hashed passwords is saved in the Facebook database. Now suppose Facebook has a data breach. If hackers gain access to user info which included name, age, gender, email, password, though hackers have this information, they will not able to log into any specific user account, because the password is encrypted. If hacker is trying to log in any specific account with an hashed password, they will not provide it in access. He only needs to enter the password which is in plain text form. Then what the hacker do now? The only possible way to reverse the hashed password into plain text form. But this is highly impossible, because the hash is the one-way function, and the plain text form of an hash cannot be obtained from the hash itself. That is how hashing algorithms are designed. Then what the hacker do now? Now strength of the password come into the picture. If you are using a common password like anonymous123 which I used in the video, then the hacker will easily be able to know the plain text form of your password from the hash string. There is something known as rainbow tables. These rainbow tables contain the password hashes of numerous commonly used passwords, along with their plain text forms. So the hacker will be to do a simple search with the password hash that he has. And if the password hash exists in the rainbow table, then that means the password is successfully cracked, and we have the password in a plain text. Remember that rainbow tables contain the password hashes of only the passwords which are commonly used. As a reference, you can go to crackstation.net. If the password is not a commonly used password, then there comes dictionary attack and brute force attack. In dictionary attack, you have a word list. A word list is nothing but a huge text file with loads of passwords. In this attack, the hacker writes a code which compares the password hash to be cracked, with the password hash of each and every password that exists in the word list. Now, this attack can be target specific as well, which means we can build a word list targeting an individual provided that we know some basic details about him, her. In a brute force attack, each and every combination of letters, symbols and numbers are converted into their hash forms, and are then compared with the hash to be cracked. In other words, you're taking every possible password that can exist, convert it into hash and check if the hash is matched. Yes, it is literally take forever to crack a strong password using this method, however the computer speed is fast enough. Simple passwords can be cracked easily by this method. Most of us uses numbers as passwords. See how much time it take to crack. A new technique called salting is introduced by security analysts, to get hackers hard time to crack the passwords. Does this salting technique is so strong, this makes passwords to be. Then how to choose passwords, see all this in next video. Follow us on Insta, Twitter, FB page by searching, Anonymous Protector.